Welcome to Floravive, your destination for glowing, youthful skin naturally. Most people throw away banana peels without knowing their hidden skincare power. But did you know banana peels are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals that can fight acne, reduce wrinkles, and brighten your skin? In this video, I'll show you dermatologist-approved hacks and face masks with banana peel and banana pulp that target almost every skin concern: oily skin, dryness, pigmentation, and even anti-aging. Let's dive in. Science and knowledge. Banana and its peel contain vitamins A, C, and E, which repair damaged skin and slow down aging. They are packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals. These are the main reason behind wrinkles and dull skin. Banana peel also has natural enzymes and potassium that help reduce inflammation, fade dark spots, and deeply hydrate the skin. That's why dermatologists often call banana the natural Botox fruit. DIY masks. Banana Moisturizing mask. Mash half a banana, add 1 teaspoon honey. Apply for 15 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water. Result: smooth, nourished, soft skin. Banana oily skin mask. Mix mashed banana with half a teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Apply for 10 minutes. Result: balances excess oil and prevents breakouts. Banana pigmentation mask. Mash banana, add 1 teaspoon potato juice plus a pinch of turmeric. Apply for 15 minutes. Result: fades dark spots and even skin tone. Banana dry skin mask. Mix banana pulp with 1 teaspoon milk powder. Apply for 15 minutes. Deep hydration and soft, supple skin. Banana anti-aging mask. Mash banana, add 4 to 5 drops rosehip oil. Apply for 15 minutes. Result: reduces fine lines and restores youthful glow. Banana glowing mask. Mash banana, add 1 teaspoon coffee plus 1 teaspoon honey. Apply for 15 minutes. Result: exfoliates dead cells and gives instant glow. Banana hydrating mask. Mix banana pulp with 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. Apply for 15 minutes. Result: refreshes and hydrates tired, dull skin. Tips and precautions. Always use a fresh banana or peel. Do a patch test before trying any mask. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Store banana peel in the fridge for extra soothing effect. So next time you eat a banana, don't throw away the peel. It's a complete skincare package. These dermatologist-approved hacks can replace many expensive products. Which mask will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural skincare secrets. Thanks for watching Floravive, where timeless beauty begins with healthy skin.